I'm rumbling in this JCB. I'm 5 years old, my dad's a giant sitting beside me, and the engine rattles my bum like berserk while we're singing, don't forget your shovel if you want to go and work. My dad's probably had a bloody hard day, but he's being good fun and bubbling and joking way. And the procession of cars stuck behind are getting all impatient and angry, but we don't mind.
Oh dear.
Holding up the bypass. Oh, me and my dad having a top laugh. Oh, sitting on the toolbox. Oh, and I'm so glad I'm not in school, boss. So glad I'm not in school. Oh no.
Cut it like a V though, so he goes. Go in. Dad, stop it. Kick it down. What's this? Hold that, Mum.
And pull off again, speeding by the summer green grass. And we're like giants up here in our big yellow digger, like Zoids or Transformers, or maybe even bigger. And I want to transform into a Tyrannosaurus Rex and eat up all the bullies and the teachers and their pets. And I'll tell all my mates my dad's creator ruffles on me with a JCB and Bruce Lee's nunchuckles.
Right over these conifers here, I buggered that up, I don't know. I got a bit frightened.
That was pretty cool.
It's ruined all my shrubs on this side.
Yeah, they'll be right, don't worry. It was supposed to go that way, but...
I know it was supposed to go that way, it's buggered all my rockery up.
Merry Christmas.
It's ruined all that shrub there.
No, it's not ruined, it's just slightly smaller than it was before. It's a dwarf conifer, it'll be fine.
Me and my dad having a top laugh. Oh, I'm sitting on the toolbox. Oh, and I'm so glad I'm not in school, boss. So glad I'm not in school. Said I'm Luke, I'm 5 and my dad's Bruce Lee. Drives me round in his JCB. I'm Luke, I'm 5 and my dad's Bruce Lee. Drives me round in his JCB. I'm Luke, I'm 5 and my dad's Bruce Lee. Drives me round in his JCB. I'm Luke, I'm 5 and my dad's Bruce Lee. Drives me round and we're holding up the bypass.
And even though it looked kind of a mess when it came down, no conifers were actually harmed in the making of this movie. Well, except for that one of course, which is pretty much decimated. But that was the intent. Right, let's chop this bugger up.